I had my first car when I was 19 years old. And since then, I was trying to get my driver's license. I always passed my learners. I have a stack of them. But through nervousness, I never made my driver's license. So last week,
All the time you used to get nervous.
all the time. So I didn't know that that was a spiritual battle that I had. So last time when I spoke to Pastor, and Pastor explained to me what was happening to me, and I remembered it when I went to the test. But I was nervous before I go to the test. But when I was sitting in the truck, I got so confident, and the lady asked me if I have got any questions to ask her. I must ask her, but I didn't have any questions, and I went through the test without any faults, no nervousness. Thank you.
Show them.
Hallelujah.